Now let's understand how the content structure in Webflow works. Firstly, we have the site. The site is nothing but the website you're trying to build. It can be a blog, e-commerce site, etc. Now every site will have its own CMS. Next, we have a collection. A collection is like a database. It is where we can store our content that can be used throughout our project programmatically. And finally, we have the items. Items here are the individual data records in each collection. Now let's understand this structure with a basic example. Suppose I want to create a website that sells books. So I'll go ahead and create a new site on Webflow. Now the CMS here will act as a central repository where all the books will be stored. But books can have different genres like horror, mystery, drama, and so on. So we can use collection to categorically define our books. Collection 1 here can be drama, collection 2 here can be mystery, and so on. And finally, the items are the individual books present in that collection. So one can leverage this simple CMS structure of Webflow to create a CMS which handles their needs. This was just a simple example to let you guys understand the content structure. Now, as I had told you before, Webflow also allows you to build websites. So you can combine this CMS functionality with a website builder to create a full-fledged website all at one place. You can also use Webflow as a headless CMS. Headless CMS here is a concept in which the which represents the front end and the body which represents the back end. So headless here means we are removing the head, which is the front end or client side, and you only using the body or the back end. This means that you can host your front end somewhere else and use Webflow only as a database. To achieve this, there is a developer portal in Webflow where you can find all the APIs. These APIs can talk to the Webflow CMS and you can display your data on any device, be it mobile or desktop. So having learned the basics of Webflow is and how the concept of CMS works in Webflow,